Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to set communication channel mappings for knowledge in Salesforce. So in the last couple of sessions I have talked about like Salesforce knowledge, like how to create Salesforce knowledge articles, how to create data categories. Then I have talked about how we can just summarize knowledge article effectively using a field generation prompt template. Then I have talked about like how we can place a standard component into a case record page in Salesforce. So today I'll be going to talk about like how we can just insert how we can just configure the communication channel for the knowledge record, and whenever a knowledge article is there for a case, then we can directly insert this knowledge article into the mail. So first of all, what is communication channels mappings? Like, so it's nothing but it's connect a knowledge article to a particular channel like email or messaging. So I'll be just for demo purpose, I'll be showing this for a email record, email activity record, and let me just configure that out. And before, the prerequisite is like for in your org this email to case needs to be enabled, and we can find from the quick find like email to case. On searching we can find this one, and this will be available under the feature settings, and under the service we can just find the email to case. And one point to be remembered, that whenever we are enabling by checking on this enabled email to case, we can't disable it. So this needs to be in mind before enabling this email to case feature. And now let me just configure the channel mappings, and on clicking on this edit object we can be redirected to the knowledge object manager, and we from these menus we can find these communication channel mappings, right? So I'll be clicking on it, and I'll be just click on new, and I'll be just providing the communication channel name as email. Record type could be master, or I can just select a particular record type like FAQ, and I'll be just select the available channel as email, since I just want to insert the knowledge article into a email channel. And what are the key fields we want to display? Like we want to display the title of the knowledge article, then summary of the knowledge article, right? And we can just select this option like omit field labels, and we can just click on save. So this is like as simple as that. We can just create communication channel mappings in the knowledge from the knowledge object. And now if I just go back to this case record page, we can find on clicking on refresh, we can find in the drop down for the knowledge article, this insert article into email option is now available, right? So on clicking on this button action, we can just insert this article into the email. And let me show you quickly, and I'll be just click on this email, and so in the body I'll be just selecting this one like this, clicking on this insert article into email. So on clicking on it, we can find that our article, knowledge article title and summary that we selected in the communication channel. So in the communication channel setup, we have selected like title and summary. That is why in the inserted article into this email body, we can see this title, and this is a summary field value of the knowledge article. So this is how we can just set up communication channel mappings for knowledge in Salesforce, and we can just utilize that to insert this knowledge article directly into the email body, so that for the agent or sales user it will be they can effectively communicate with the customers by using this knowledge article, by inserting this knowledge article directly into their email. So it will be more productive as per their perspective. So that's all for today's demo. I'll be adding more tutorials on Salesforce, Omni Studio, and Data Cloud topics. So please stay tuned, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.